Something new in Google search. I just did a search in Google and I noticed there's now a 3-dot menu next to the results when you do a search. This is what I searched for, and this is one of the listed search results. But right next to it, you'll notice the 3-dot menu. When you click on that 3-dot menu, it opens up another window, and this tells you something about the results of that particular search result. It tells you the website where this information is stored, gives you more information about the website. It also tells you that the connection is through a secure site, and it tells you where that link, if you click on it, will actually take you. Just one more thing that helps you make a better or a more informed decision when you're doing a search. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.